Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry in medical school step by step. Start by setting realistic weekly targets and a study rhythm that fits your clinical schedule. Focus on high-yield pathways and recurring themes rather than memorizing isolated facts. Use visual maps and routine spaced repetition to reinforce mechanisms. Treat practice questions as learning tools, not just assessment, and review explanations thoroughly to build conceptual links across systems. Build study sessions around active techniques to make concepts stick. Draw pathways by hand, labeling enzyme names, cofactors, and regulation points to create mental hooks. Convert mechanisms into compact flashcards you revisit with spaced repetition daily or every few days. Mix focused reading with timed question blocks and explain answers out loud to solidify reasoning. This combination boosts long-term retention. Pick a single main resource and layer short videos or review notes for clarification. Schedule brief daily reviews to maintain enzyme names and pathways, plus 2 longer weekly synthesis sessions for integration. Use clinical cases to translate biochemical mechanisms into real patient problems and test your ability to explain causes and treatments. Track weak topics and cycle them more often until you can teach them clearly to a colleague.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.